Hi students, today we're going to show you how to make a copy of a Google Doc. So you'll see at the top of this one, there's a message that says you can't type on this page unless you make your own copy. So you have to go to File and Make a Copy. You're going to start by going to the upper left-hand corner where it says File, and click there, and then find where it says Make a Copy. You might see that it's grayed out and that you can't click on it. That means that you have to sign in to Google. So you're going to go to the top right-hand corner and click Sign In, and enter your Google email and your password to that email. Then it's going to take you back to your Google Doc, and then you're going to go to File again. If you are already signed in, you can skip this first step. But if you weren't signed in, you'll be able to click Make a Copy now. You're going to rename this document so that you know the difference between this one and the original that we gave you. Click OK. We suggest having your name in front of it just so that you can be able to quickly share it with your teacher. So you see on this document that your cursor is now showing at the top. And if you go to the very top of the screen, you can see the original Google Doc. And you can see that you still can't type or click on that one. But if you go to the one with your name in front of it, you're able to type in all the text boxes. You put your name and the date at the top. And then as you scroll down, you'll be able to put your answers into those areas as well. So that is how you make a copy of a Google Doc.